Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah, man. Oh, yo, my clip broke. My clip broke. Yeah, inshallah, exactly. Gotta keep her tight, bro. Did you get a hit there?
I got 2 hits there.
When I was gone, right?
No, one of them was when you were...
Oh, when I just got there.
Yeah, I lifted up and I feel bending it, and I was all the way up here.
Oh, so you couldn't even do anything.
Can't fucking move. Can't come out Friday. It's not sad.
Are you going away, aren't you?
Yeah, fucking Prince Edward County.
Oh, hit, fish. Hey, net.
Come on. Wait. Don't fuck off.
Let's go. Let's go.
That one's swimming. What the hell? Maybe it's time to play.
Let's go. I got it all on video too. Sick.
Oh, that's a nice
Yep, that's a decent fish. How's that line through, bitch? Woo! Get him, Nick. Up. Yeah, he is line through, bro. Woo!
Finally.
First fish. I'm not jumping in the lake.
God damn it. Oh, that was fucking sick.
Hey, stop.
Yeah,
Nice. Woo! Caught a fish finally. Yes, I do.
Here, nice.
Finally.
Yes.
Woo!
Alright, Mace will leave the net with us. You have the net man and the fish catcher. Oh, nice. Nice man. No thanks. I'm good.
Fucking right, boys.
Yes.
Fucking right.
Nice.
Thank you, Nick. I got it all. Yeah. Thank you. Finally. Finally, Nim. Woo! He hit that perfect. The line through worked amazing. Everything. Like, fucking right. Yes. I needed that. I needed that, boys. I needed that. Sorry, I need to do it myself. I need to have a little one-on-one. I needed that. I did. I really did.